Let me just show you how I make rivets. I take a nail here, and you know, there's a whole pile of variations of what you can do here, but this is just one of them. I'm going to take a nail here and round it off. I'll just show you. I put it in this drill here. Very simple. And then you just, let's just speed that up a bit. We'll turn it around here so you can see it. There we go. And I just take a file and round it off. And there you have it. And then I'm going to make sure I take the drill out of the way here, take this out. And then I got to make sure they're basically roughly the same measurement. 4.44. I think this one might be a bit smaller. 4.9, it's not. There you go. So I'll just file these the same and then show them to you again. Yeah, I finished them, rounded them off a little bit with some sandpaper and that, and it's reading 4, that one, or 4 something. 4, yeah, it sometimes depends where you read it, I suppose. And you have to clean the calipers. That one's a little bigger, but not much. 406, depending which I turn it, 408. 407, so I'm okay with that. So that's pretty good. Now I'm just going to snip them off with the pliers, and see, it's going to look pretty good like that. So let's just leave it at that. Turn off my calipers. We're going to snip a little piece off here, we don't need them that long. And then we're going to drill a hole in my shaft and make the right length in the end, I suppose. Just cut them there for the time being. 1. That's too long anyways. 2. There are two pins. Now all we got to do is, there we go, drill the 2 pillars. Yeah, I bought these drills off eBay. They just arrived. We're going to try one out right now. Hope I don't break it. Here we go, into the pillar here. I snapped quite a few of them before doing other things. That isn't centered enough. I think that'll work. See if my nail will fit in there. Yeah, it will. Excellent. And down we go. And I broke it already. One drill gone. I pressed sideways, that's why. Let's try the Dremel. Yeah, so with these drills here, I'm having trouble. They just keep snapping off in the Dremel. So I've reverted to my drill, and I'm countersinking a center point here and a center point here, and then I'm going to put a drill in it. Good guide hold, a little bit off. Maybe we can get it over a little bit. There we go. They do wander, you know. That's the pain of this whole rivet thing. Now I'm going to drill them until my rivets go in. It's going to take a while, but It's slowly going in there, as you can see, and then the rivet will go in here, see, and it'll be epoxied in. If I ever get deep enough. Yeah. So we'll just keep drilling and see how it goes. Yes, I got the 2 holes drilled. I used in the end a little bit smaller drill, just cutting off the. So here we go. I used a smaller drill and it actually made it large enough. And so we can have a pop rivet in here and a pop rivet in here. This one's going all the way down already. I'll just clip the 2 rivets off. I was not wanting to go flush, so I'll give it a little more drill. That should do it. Now we should be able to mop this up so you can see what's going to happen. Put a little epoxy in there and pop that one in there. I must put a J-weld or something in one in there. And look, we have it. It looks quite nice. There you go, and that's how I rivet my cars sometimes. This is one of my many ways I can do it. This is my newer way. I've just started drilling the pillars. But that looks quite clean and quite professional. Just put it in the middle here. You can zoom in a bit. There we go. So I'm just drilling the pillars and dropping these pins in with an epoxy. And you know, to me, sometimes it's more the fun of doing these cars up than anything else. Right, that one might be a little high, but I don't, no, it's in. So there you go. A little epoxy on that, leave it dry for 24 hours. And you have your base plate in really nicely. I'm happy with that. Hope this helps you with your riveting.